Alicia with TeamDuffy here for another home preview. I'm standing in the kitchen Plano house at 2613 Mollimar Drive. This house has been on the market about a month. It was completely renovated, so I'm going to take you through all of that, and I'll take you through a quick peek outside as well. We are off of Stratford in between Park and 15th right now. This subdivision has had about 5 new listings in the last month. It's had 4, almost 5, the house is about to close, solds, and they were a lot smaller than this without a pool, so those price ranges were more in the 320. This one is listed at 470, but it does have a pool, like I said, and is about 2,900 square feet. So let's go take a peek. Here is the entrance off of Stratford in between Park and 15th Street. Nice door to the foyer. You have the formal living right next to it with the barn doors and the formal dining room. And then that leads into the kitchen. Let's go this way though. Take a look at the main living room. Let's see this. Let's see, we have living room sizes of 24 by 14, 17 by 18. So that was that one over there. The formal dining at 12 by 11. And this is a 4-bedroom. So the 2 bedrooms right here are pretty close together. They're 12 by 11. Looks like everything's been painted nicely with, looks like new trim. And doors, it looks like it's all been well done. And here's the other bedroom. It's right next to it. Let's see what the closets, how big they are. Okay, enough for a kid. Not for me, a very small kid. Okay, then we have the bathroom that's in between Jack and Jill. So there's the other bedroom, but I'm gonna show you real quick the hallway that leads down to the master. And the bathroom here is super cute with granite. Looks like new backsplash and a little shiny tile. Probably new commodes as well. And here's the other bedroom. See if we can see the side yard. And we'll go into the master. And that is 17 by 13. So you have the door that leads off here, and then you also have a pocket door there that goes into the other, like a partial sunroom of the living room. Get a better angle right here. We'll go in there in just a second. Here's another of the barn doors. Very nice master. Lots of cabinet space. So it's a shower. Wow, with a whole bunch of jets. No bath. And this is a better size closet. Even has a spot for your shoes. That's good. Okay, let's go get another look at the living room. So here's the sunroom area with the skylight. It's nice and open. It's got all those end colors now. The grays, and it's got a nice little rotunda breakfast area here, or formal dining. A nice light. Open kitchen. Well, it looks like all new appliances. And it did say that the refrigerator stays, so that's nice. And you can sit here to eat. It also has the little storage underneath, which is very nice. Again, this is $470,000 and it's 2,900 square feet. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built 1973, Plano ISD. And this little area is cute because you got the washer and dryer, but then you also have a little bathroom, which is perfect coming out of the pool. But then you're like, oh, well, gosh, you have to walk through the whole house. But no, it actually has the door through the garage. So as long as you keep your garage clean, then your guests can come through there instead of slipping, sliding through the house. So let's go take a look at the pool. And this is closer to subdivision, and they've had, in the last 30 days, there's been about 5 houses that have gone on the market. Most of them, well, some of the pools about half and half, ranging from 470 down to 315. And there's been about 5 sales, and although they have been a lot lower price, the 320 range, they were a lot smaller, and most without pools. So that is probably why. This house is on the corner, so I'm not going to say anything negative about any houses, at least not while I'm being recorded. So my clients know when I go show houses, I'm a negative nanny, so I just like to point everything out to people though. So this all looks like it was freshly poured, and I'm not sure if that's new, but it looks fairly new. So this, I know it could be painted if you didn't like the gray. Here is a little bit of a side yard, so you can have a puppy. It's a nice big pool, looks pretty deep. Alright, I'm going to take you out the front to look at the front yard a little bit better. And if you want to come see this property, then you can just give me a call at 214-682-5009, or you can go online to see more of this property, all the statistics, the details, the property report, and schedule a showing of this one or any of the other properties that I preview every week. And that's bit.ly home previews, and I'll flash up a link to that as well. And this is, even though it's on a corner, this is a really wide street with a medium with mature trees in the middle, which is kind of unusual for Plano. So, and you really don't hear anything once you're in. They're like mowing out there and stuff like that, and I really don't hear it maybe coming closer into the kitchen. But anyway, it's a very nice property. If you have any questions or you would like to see this property in person, please contact me. You can also follow the link to TeamDuffy.com to get status updates on all properties, see staging photos before and after, and don't forget to stop by the Your Neighborhood page where you can get sold prices, sold dates, and photos of any property within a subdivision. You can also get a CMA sent to you within 1 minute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and happy house hunting.